everybody. I am out here at Sonoma Racetrack running autocross. Got a bunch of people out here having a blast, sending their cars out. This guy sent it a little too hard at the line. Honda S2000, same as mine. Well, he's got an AP2, it looks like, but he's supercharged, and he dropped the clutch right at the line. He's got a stock diff and just smoked the differential. So if you're gonna put boost to your S2000s, make sure you upgrade the differential because you will smoke it. I'm still running a factory diff in my car, but I'm not running big power, so I'm getting away with it right now. I'm just a little bit overpowered than stock, so still NA. But currently I'm sitting at I'm tied with the fastest lap of a 39, what, no, it was a, let me see, money. So I got a 46.9 on a lap time. This course is not conducive to a 4-cylinder on straightaways. I'll post some pictures of the layout of the track, but a lot of straightaways. So the big V8s have a chance of getting miles per hour going into corners, and then they just have to brake. And I do have I think I have a little bit of an advantage in the S2000 with braking. I've done an upgrade on the brakes. I got just some Stop Tech rotors and street track pads, so it's got a pretty good bite. But it's fun. Love doing this. Love coming out. Love helping people learn. So I've been riding with some people. I got other people riding with me. I'll throw a camera in the cab and try to capture some reactions and see how that goes. All right, guys. We'll see you as we go along. All right. Bye. Oh, poor S2000 going home on a trailer.
It's a rare sight for an S2000 to be on a trailer.
All right. Well, tell me what you've done to your car.
As far as mods go, or
yeah, just tell me about the car.
Yeah, stock motor. As far as the internals go, supercharged, Comtech supercharged on there. Tain coilovers, bracing, all sorts, ASF bracing, J's Racing carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders, titanium exhaust, roll bar, any chassis stiffeners I could get on.
What kind of roll bar is it?
This is actually the original Elda roll bar. So
Elda roll bar, okay, the original one, okay.
Yeah, where Hard Dog bought it from.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. So explain to me why we're getting put on a trailer.
Because S2000 differentials are made out of glass, but this one lasted 60,000 miles. I've had the supercharger for about 100,000 miles on there, so the rest of the car is solid. It's just differentials go out. A little bit too much power on it.
Yep.
Yeah. Other than that,
that's what I've been scared to death that I'm going to do that to mine.
Yeah.
So I'm still somewhat I'm NA, but I have upped the power a bit. Yeah. I'm afraid to put the computer in and come out here and send it. So.
Yeah. And this is my second differential. The first one was a belt with 444 gears, Cusco LSD. This one's a stock.
What did they do to build up the clamps on it that go around the ring gear? Do you know if it was built up or it was just geared?
It was just geared. It didn't have the putty mods on there.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not surprised it gave out.
So I got two suggestions. There's a company out of Florida that makes mods for your factory diff. They're new caps. You got to take it to a machine shop. They drill out the holes in the stock rear diff, and they insert shims into it that the bolts go through to prevent the caps from moving. And that's what happens is when you throw that much power at the diff, the cap will move, which allows the ring gear to move.
Yeah.
And now we're chewing up gears.
Yeah, makes
sense. That's what happened with that. There's also another company in Sacramento, Driving Ambition. They sell modified diffs as well. Theirs are way overbuilt for like 900 horse.
And that's who actually did the supercharger. So this was actually the prototype for Driving Ambition.
Gotcha.
And the supercharger. So you still see Comtech name on there.
Yeah.
But it's actually Driving Ambition did all the labor for it.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. Because I was just over there. I'm probably gonna have them do my tune.
Okay.
For once I get my Haltech in and get it going.
Hey.
So, but I'm probably gonna buy a diff from them.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So
Shad's been doing all the race cars forever, so
yeah,
he knows what he's doing.
I got to peruse around his shop a little bit the other day, about a week or two ago, so that was fun.
Yeah.
That's why I'm running 112 in my car today instead of 100. I've been running 100, and he told me the 100 runs hot, and I've been having to swap my plugs out constantly because they come out white.
Oh, okay.
So he told me run 112 in it.
Oh, okay.
So I'm running 112 leaded, but I have the ductile iron sleeve, so it's okay to do that.
Got it. Yeah.
So that's the only reason that I can do that.
I know.
Otherwise, he said if you didn't have the ductile iron sleeves, I'd tell you to run 98.
Gotcha. Oh, wow. Well, good thing is that the motor's still okay. The differential I can handle on my own.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. And that was one thing that was one thing I was thinking of, is doing a winter project, pulling the diff and sending it to Florida to have those guys do the caps.
Yeah.
Because I really like their design.
Yeah. I've been missing having an aftermarket LSD on there. And so I was already kind of shocked for it.
So when I come around the loop and go down that straight and it goes left and right, my car shifts so much that right rear wheel's coming off the ground. And it's starting to go wee, wee, wee. I'm like, oh, come on.
But yeah, it's like the gears I don't miss, but the LSD makes so much of a difference.
That's a mod I definitely need to get done.
Yeah. It's annoying people think your car's broken because I had a 1.5 way and it plunked everywhere.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
like,
yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah, it's just making noise. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Yeah. It's kind of like having straight cut gears.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know